Alrighty, well that was interesting. I just had to walk back from the boat trip in the pissing rain. Got a bit drowned. Just about to pack up, jump on the bikes and ride through that rain. Got about 3 or 4 hour, maybe more in the rain, right ahead of us.
Goodbye. Alright, here we go into the swollen, flooded streets. I got the wet weather jacket on over the top of my normal jacket plus a backpack, which is making it extra tight. I feel like the Michelin Man. Luckily I'm getting cold, wet hands. And that's keeping the body temperature down a little bit because the rest of me is just baking. Oh shit. That was deep. That was a lot deeper than I thought. We just did a river crossing in the middle of a public road. Holy crap. That was splashing up to my knees. Hopefully it doesn't wet my jeans and go down inside my boots. So hopefully the only part of me that'll get wet is my hands, which is okay. Can't do much about that. Now that we're moving a little bit faster, it's not actually too bad. Have to cool down a bit. Whew, that was toasty, getting ready, getting dressed. So I've got about a 4-hour ride back to Way from here. If the weather was fine, we probably would have taken a different route, maybe a longer route. But no, we're just going to gun it all the way back there and unpack, get changed, get dry, and settle in for a night of beer and Indian food. Goodbye, Phong Nha, that was awesome. I think it's one of my favourite places I've been to so far in Vietnam. I really, really like the vibe there. It's just party central, or it can also be just relaxing and chill out. Hardly any traffic. Cows running down the main street. Beautiful river going past, the mountains, the caves. Pretty good part of the world. Backing onto the national park. So it took us 2 days to get there, going the long way via the mountains. It's only going to take us 4 hours to get back. Look at this. Dry roads. The roads are dry. Along with the dry roads comes the intense heat, humidity, and man, I'm sweltering now. The sky ahead of us definitely looks a lot better than it does back behind us. It's just black in the mirrors. Oh, big river! Look at that is beautiful. That was a quick little rush stop. Time to get some fuel. Oh man. Alrighty, here we go. Got to pull an overtaking manoeuvre on a cop car. Hopefully they won't take offence at that. One thing about Vietnam, people just stop in the middle of the road anywhere. It doesn't really seem to matter. They're selling stuff on the side of the road that they want. They'll just pull over and block the whole road. They won't pull off the side or anything like that. We've hit Highway 1 now. This is the crazy highway apparently. We've been out in the bush on the back roads for the last few days, and we've just hit the big time. This is the big highway down the coast, and this is where it all gets mad apparently. This is the one they say in the travel brochures, well, you probably shouldn't go there and ride that road because it's a bit dangerous with all the trucks and stuff. Well, yep, here it is, we're doing it. It's the quickest way back, and we need to get there before it goes dark and other obstacles get in our way that we can't see on the road when it's not daylight. Alright, we just stopped here for a something to eat, something to drink, bit of a toilet break, and yeah, let's see if we can make it the rest of the way alive, eh? Okay. Everyone's so friendly. One thing I've noticed is cop cars down here. Didn't see cop cars anywhere for the first few days of this trip, but get down here on the main highway and there's a few cop cars around. Oh, I've seen about probably about half a dozen cop cars in a couple of hours since we left Phong Nha. Look at that little temple on the side of the road, that's pretty cool. Getting into some nice countryside now. It was pretty plain and boring before, lots of farms around and not a whole lot of interesting mountains, but looks like we're hitting the hills again now. Oh yeah, look at that, that is awesome. He's leading us astray, Captain Cranky. It's worse than you getting us lost. I don't know how far back we have to go. I don't remember seeing any major turn-offs. There's a cool little temple again. Well, that's where we ate before. We're back here again. Going the direction that we were though made sense to me. Like, we came from inland and we turned right onto this road. Coming from inland towards the ocean, turn right should take us south. I can't understand why we would be going this way now to go south, but maybe I'm just all screwed up. I don't know, I'd have to have a look at the lay of the roads on the map to get it stuck in my head, but geez, I'm glad I'm not directing everyone where to go. I'll be well and truly lost. Here we go. Way City. We're back on track. Traffic lights? What's this? I haven't seen traffic lights for days. But yeah, 3 full days of riding without seeing traffic lights. Oh, what have we got here? Doing it by hand. Crazy.
For some reason I thought we were down here and not back there.
Yeah.
But if you're going to have a detour, may as well be that. That was nice.
That hill was cool. I love the manual gates, just pull them by hand. Close the gates nice and early, don't they? All of a sudden it's just every man for himself, go! Fuck me. What's going on here? Toll gates, bikes go straight through without paying. Sounds good to me. Oh, here comes the rain again. I was thinking about getting out of the wet weather gear earlier because it looked sort of half fine and was getting quite warm, but I'm bloody glad I didn't now. Oh, standing up feels so good. My bottom is a wee bit sore, laddie. This seat is not as comfortable as the mighty V-Strom seat, and done a few Ks in it, a few hours of saddle time today, quite a few over the last few days, heaps in fact, so the old bum's a bit sore. Well, we did it, we're back in Hue. The first leg of the Central Vietnam tour is over, pretty much. Saw some awesome places, some incredible scenery, some very historical sites, did some very cool things, twisty roads that were just bloody insane, and now we're back in the madness of Hue City. Gonna have a rest day here tomorrow, just cruising around here exploring, and then we're gonna head off on another adventure the day after that. So stay tuned, guys. The trip is not over. The series is not over. There's plenty more action to come.
Well, we did it. First leg of the journey over. First little tour up around the north. Was absolutely awesome, and we made it back in one piece. No incidents, lots of action, lots of time in the saddle. It was amazing.
Bloody noisy Westerners. It's tighter than a nun's nasty across this bridge. Have a look at it. This feels slightly illegal. It's got old Kwang Chung. That's pretty cool.